Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have your yoga props close by, and find absolutely any comfortable seat. As always, before we begin, if I give you something that doesn't feel good on your body or causes any pain or discomfort whatsoever, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. When we stretch, we want to find positions in our stretches that feel good rather than intense. So please don't push yourself, and remember that deeper never means better. We're doing this for our health and our well-being, not to look a certain way in a pose. So there's no competition, and be really nice to yourself. From any comfortable seat, or even laying down flat on your back with knees bent if you're feeling tired or sore, softly close your eyes and let go of the belly and the chest. Find a deep inhale through your nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. And part the lips and exhale, let it go. 1 more, this time go at your own pace. And come back to the natural breath. Softly flutter the eyes open and shift forward, coming into tabletop, hands and knees. Spread the fingers wide. Stack shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Inhale, cow, arch the spine, draw the heart forward, belly down, look forward. Exhale, cat, round the spine, lift the belly up and in, look to the thighs, relax the neck. Inhale, cow, arch. Firm the core muscles, engage the ribs in towards the spine to protect your lower back. And exhale, cat round, tuck the tailbone, draw the chin towards the chest. And flow through these, going to the wave of your own breath. And come back to neutral. Lift the right knee, tuck the right toes under, and firm the right heel back. Engage the core, and if it feels good, pulse back and forth, warming up the calf muscle, the ankle, and the toes a little. And then draw the right knee back down to the earth. Lift the left knee, tuck the left toes, firm the thigh, and pulse back and forth a bit, just if that feels good. And lower the left knee back down. Really good. Open your knees out as wide as the short edge of the mat. Connect your big toes. Press your hips back and down and crawl the hands forward. Melt the forehead down to the mat. Try to keep your arms straight in child's pose, and right away, if this is too much on your knees, lift the hips much higher. Tuck the toes, stack the forearms under the forehead. If the forehead is resting on the mat and you're feeling good, option to create spider fingers. Root the fingertips down, lifting the palms to get a nice shoulder stretch. And breathe. And softly walk the hands to the right. And walk the hands to your left. And come back through center. Rise up and come to lay down on your back. Pull your knees into your chest and softly sway from side to side in Uttanasana, massaging the sacrum and lengthening the spine. Grab hold of behind the knees, stack the heels over the knees, flex the feet, creating dorsiflexion. Draw toes up and back towards the shins. So think active ankles. Open the knees out and draw them down towards the earth to frame your waist. If you have more to give, you could grab hold of the outer ankles or the outer edges of your feet. If your lower back just lifted though, or if that's too much, then we know to hold on to our knees instead. If it feels good, perhaps sway a bit from side to side. Really nice. And then release down into Shavasana, final resting pose. Open the hands and the heels out as wide as the short edge. Oh, there's a little bug crawling on me. I don't know what type of bug that is. There you go, little one. And just open the hands and the heels out as wide as the short edge of the mat, palms face up. Close your eyes. Let go of the belly and the chest. Completely relax and release. Bend the knees, roll over onto one side. And rise up into any comfortable seat. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.